here's how to make a sun catcher. If you have a craft kit from Morton Library, your kit will combine a piece of black cardstock, clear contact paper, colored tissue paper, but you'll need from home glue, a glue bottle or a glue stick, and scissors. First, we're going to make a frame. You're going to gently fold your piece of paper in half, hamburger style, and carefully take your scissors and cut it. We don't want to make this end too pointy. We want to keep it round. Going to cut. You should make a little bit of a slit there. Can you see it? It's tough on the black. Now you can put your scissors in that hole and cut the frame. The edges of the frame should be about 1 inch wide. Don't throw away the rest of your cardstock. Set that aside for later. Now we're going to take our contact paper. It's a clear sticker, so you're going to want to separate at the corner the plastic from the paper. You might need a grown-up to help with this because it can be tricky sometimes. Keep that sticky side up and lay it out in front of you. Oh no! Go ahead and take your frame and center it so that all of your frame is on the contact paper and the entire inside of your frame is sticky. Go ahead and press down on your cardstock so it'll stick together. Now you can take your tissue paper and cover all of the clear area in the center with colored tissue paper. It's already cut up into bits, but if you want a different shape, or one is especially big, you can go ahead and tear it. Once your frame is all filled in, go ahead and give it a nice big pat down to make sure all of the pieces of tissue paper are stuck to it. Now you're going to use your scissors to trim along the edge so that the extra sticky bit is gone. If you wanted, you could also leave this on and use it to help stick your Suncatcher to a window. Now you have a choice. You can hang your Suncatcher just like it is. Or, if you want, you can add words or designs to show through with your black paper. I am going to fold my black paper in half and cut out a heart. Now I can use my glue to stick that on my Suncatcher. I've got a glue stick, but a glue bottle would also work really well. Just be careful when you're using a glue bottle because just a little bit of glue will do. And I'm going to stick that right in the center. This is how my Suncatcher looks hanging in the window. If you'd like to share your Suncatcher with us, you can share it with us on Facebook, Instagram, or by emailing youthservices@mortonlibrary.org.